The reverse Nordic curl, an excellent exercise to open up the hips into mobility and improve the length and strength into the quadriceps. We start in a tall kneeling position, shoulder, hip and knee in a nice straight line, feet plantar flexed and flat to the floor. We're going to keep the glutes engaged, abdominals braced, and the aim of the game is to lower yourself as far down to the floor as you possibly can without arching the back or letting the hips fall back behind you. So hip, shoulder, knee in a straight line. Breathe into the abdominals, control your lower. Push the feet into the floor to come back up tall. The aim of the game is to get down to the floor and back up again without changing the shape of the spine.
Nice, Mariah. So Mariah's rocking her reverse Nordic curl here. Aim of the game is shoulder, hip and knee in a straight line. We don't want to reach through the shoulders towards the floor. We're letting the hip do all the movement, and we press firmly with the tops of the feet to pull back up. Last rep, Mariah. Very good job.